technology today. Brought to you by Toyota. Learn the latest news from leading experts on cutting-edge innovations, hybrid, and safety technology. Toyota.
356. Too bad to stay home. Let's come a cocoa or something. Not everybody gets to do that, but you know, there still are snow days to some. But WBZ's Matt Shearer caught up with workers who don't get those snow days.
On days like this, you're lucky if you can work from home. Kelly from Worcester, not so lucky.
I'm a store manager at Lids in Natick Mall.
Why would someone go hat shopping in this weather?
It's the Buccaneers. Buccaneers this, Buccaneers that. I didn't even know Buccaneers existed. So everyone wants a Buccaneers hat.
Oh, well, I can think of one super big reason for that. Still, Kelly almost didn't make it to work at all.
My car was buried in snow. I had to take an Uber to get my mom's car. It's bad.
And I'm sorry to say that her traffic report is just as bleak.
There's no plows. No one's cleaning the street. Nothing. So it's a free-for-all, basically.
At least you've got the hookup on Red Sox hats, right?
I'm a Yankee fan. That's it.
Matt Shearer, WBZ Boston News Radio.
357.
Oh my god, Charlie D'Amelio is so stupid.
What do you mean?
So basically this singer died, right, from like an accident, and one of her producers or close friends, people started like a tag for her saying "here for Charlie," which is the producer's name, right? And Charlie D'Amelio is stupid enough to think that that tag was for her.
The President Biden's 100-day vaccination plan is a reasonable goal.
Everything you need to know at cdc.gov.
So she misread, right?
Tune in every weekday at 10:51 a.m. and 4:51 p.m. for the 93 Financial Group Money Minute here on WBZ. Paul and Larry Welch will help keep you up to date on everything financially important to you and your family. If you have old or unwanted guns in your home, New England Ballistic Service can
55 miles per hour.
Call them at 855-GUN-BUYS. That's 855-GUN-BUYS.
Today, businesses are rethinking everything. It's a good time to rethink healthcare too, because Always Health Partners offers more ways to give employees the care they want, like apps for real-time answers and virtual urgent care with mass general vision providers, all while giving businesses the value they need. See how we can help your business be ready for today, tomorrow, always. Visit alwayshealthpartners.org and call us, member of Mass General Vision.
Wow, seems it could be a good fit for our little company. Do you have any questions for me?
Do you offer health benefits?
Actually, we do.
Even dental?
We do.
Choice of plans?
We do.
How?
The Massachusetts Health Connector for Business. It lets small companies offer comprehensive coverage, whether 2 or 10 employees, with dedicated brokers who help us choose the best plan.
Wow.
Any other questions?
When can I start?
Find affordable coverage at mahealthconnector.org/business.
I want to break free. Ready to break free? Plan your future vacation with Norwegian Cruise Line and enjoy 30% off all destinations, including Alaska, Europe, and the Caribbean. Plus, receive 5 free offers, including free open bars, free excursions, and much more. Book today at ncl.com. Call your travel advisor or 1-888-NCL-CRUISE. Offer ends soon. Norwegian Cruise Line. Sail safe. Feel free. Ships registry to Bahamas and USA. Restrictions apply.
WBZ Boston, WXKS-FM HD2 Medford, an iHeartRadio station. Now, more than ever, it matters where you get your news. WBZ News Radio. 34 degrees in Boston at 4 o'clock. The news brought to you by Window World of Boston. Good afternoon. I'm Ben Parker. Here's what's happening. Snow has been overspread in New England for hours now, a substantial amount of snow, before all of this comes to an end tomorrow. Your most reliable news source for severe weather coverage is the WBZ Storm Center. Governor Charlie Baker urging people to stay home during the storm.
Residents to avoid driving starting this afternoon when the heavy snow starts to fall, and stay off the roads for the length of the storm. Our teams from Mass DOT and the MBTA will work throughout the day and the night to clear roads, sidewalks, and platforms to prepare for tomorrow morning.
A winter storm warning up until 5 o'clock tomorrow morning. High wind warning for the Cape until 2 a.m. And even in places where there's no high wind warning, there's still to be gusts of 30, 40 miles an hour from this storm. And of course, the accumulating snow. It is starting to stick in many places. WBZ's Karen Regal is in Dracut. What's going on there, Karen?
Well, it's not just sticking, it's holding on and it's disrupting life at this point, Ben. I made it down to Dracut on Route 110 and I'm driving from Lowell to Route 110, which empties out onto 93, because Route 110 is the kind of road with curves that would make anyone pictured in a Renaissance painting jealous. And it's coated with snow and ice, and it's making driving difficult. Not quite yet, because this hasn't started to ice over. The roads have been treated, and people so far that I can see as I stand here on the side of the road with the Merrimack in front of me are so far driving reasonably well, except for that guy who just went by me at about 50 miles an hour. But everybody else is doing okay so far.